Hey everyone, welcome back to Valley 4 Tech's channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make your Windows 11 taskbar completely transparent, using a free and lightweight app called TranslucentTB. It's a simple way to give your desktop a sleek, modern look. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to download TranslucentTB. Head over to the Microsoft Store. In the search bar, type TranslucentTB and hit enter. It should be the first result. Click on it, and then hit the Get button to download and install the app. Once installed, open the app. You will see that the taskbar has become transparent. Now click on the Continue button. You should find the app icon in your system tray, which means it is running. Pretty cool, right? But wait, there's more. If you want to add a border to the transparent taskbar, open the system tray area and click the TranslucentTB app. Then, hover over the Desktop option and choose Show Taskbar Border from the menu that appears. You will notice a thin line appearing along the taskbar. TranslucentTB also lets you customize the transparency level and behavior. For example, you can set it to be transparent only when there are no windows open, blurry when a window is open, or normal when the Start menu is open. To explore these options, go back to the TranslucentTB menu in the system tray. You can experiment with settings like blur, opaque, clear, acrylic or normal, which changes the taskbar's appearance based on your activity. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've transformed your Windows 11 taskbar into a clean, modern, and stylish element of your desktop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.